Let us begin with the issue of the slide, first importing the plot and going to MDT, Plots, Import GML. We will then be asked for the height of the text, which is 5 by default. We leave it as such, and it is imported under the name Plot Number 1 with the number of square meters. We then go to MDT, Plots, Edit or List to see the active plots in the entire sketch. This process will also detect if there are any islands and their land registry reference. We can edit the owner and other series of characteristics by going to MDT, Plots, Edit to change the land registry plot, the owner, date, in addition to accessing, if there is a building, the boundaries. Here, we have all the geometric data of the plot in the form of a vertex, the distance between them, the internal and external, and in X and Y coordinates. We can edit and print the results from a printer, file, sketch, etc., this being a feature of all MDT results tools, as I have reiterated throughout the course. We accept, and as you can see, a little bit of land that does not belong to the quarry really has been occupied, and as such, we need to calculate a safety setback for the current boundary. To do so, we go to MDT, Breakline, Displaced Parallel. Many of you are thinking that if we gap or equidistance, let's say 30 meters for example, we select and are told the object cannot pass due to the fact, as we have said, that this is a special breakline and continues to be a polyline 3D and cannot be equidistant. We can also use the MDT, Breakline, Displaced Parallel tool, in which we select a polyline and specify that we do not wish to create points and our height is to be repeated by default. We accept, click, designate the direction from the inside out, and a gap of 30 meters. Another option would be to go to the MDT, Utilities, Elevation of Features command. We select 0 height, and now we have a flat feature, enabling us to go to the Gap feature in AutoCAD and establish an equidistance of 30 meters,